Aladdin. Yes, one wish or two or three. Never had a friend you ain't never had a friend like.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's BFB spooky season. So today I got this Aladdin girly inspiration from Andre Hasselravin. I believe that's how you pronounce her name, but I'm just taking my Mayron body paint in blue. I got it from Amazon. The links will be in the description bar per usual. So I'm applying the paint all over my face and my ears, and I was gonna apply it by myself on the lower half of my body where you see that's getting painted, but I had my mom and my sister help me because it was just more easier, and the paint turned out to be a little bit more complicated to work with than I thought it would be. So now I'm going into my body paint palette that I got from Amazon and the paint brushes that came with it, and I'm just gonna carve out my eyebrows. I glued my eyebrows down as I showed you guys in the beginning, and now I'm going to conceal them with these two I'm going to conceal my face and my eyebrows with these two colors that I just showed you guys.
Pablo, you crazy for this one.
Now I'm just going in with the blue. I am going to end up applying glitter on top from that same body paint palette, but you guys aren't going to be able to see because I had a lot of complications with this look, so I was all over the place. But what you see me doing here is just contouring my forehead and my jaws. I didn't contour my nose. It kind of already had its own contour going on, so I just left it as is. It was very hard to blend out these colors, but I made it happen, and I used the black and the dark blue inside of the cream body paint palette that I showed you guys. Back into that same body paint palette, and I'm just using the black and the blue that I used to contour to line my lips with, and then I'm going to use my Mayron body paint that I used all over my body to apply it as a lipstick. picture, she highlighted her collarbone and her shoulders, so that's just what I'm doing. I'm just taking the white and the blue that I used to conceal and highlight and putting it on my shoulders and my collarbone, and then I'm going to also end up highlighting my collarbones also later in this video. But now I'm taking my RCMA powder, setting up under my eyes. That's the only place I really set, was in the highlighted areas, and then I'm going to apply my highlight.
Pablo, you crazy for this one.
And voila, now you're a glamped up genie from Aladdin. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you thumbs up this video and subscribe, and see you later during this BFB spooky season. Love you, BF Barbs.
Crazy for this one.